Everyone in the world has a relationship with cancer, whether they realize it or not. Maybe you're one of the over 1.5 million people that will be diagnosed with cancer this year. Perhaps you've just been diagnosed. Or maybe you're in the middle of conventional treatment right now. Or perhaps you've gotten past all that and are now in remission. Maybe you're cancer-free, but your world has been rocked because a loved one is in the fight of their life. If you're not getting the help of a certified holistic nutritionist beyond the help of your oncologist, then the good news is that there's quite a lot more that can be done to significantly increase your odds of beating cancer. My name is Kirstin, and I'm myself a 2-time cancer survivor, and I am passionate about helping you. There is so much that can be done with your nutrition. Your mindset, which is so important, and the toxic environment that surrounds all of us. All it takes is that first step.